In a major crackdown on interstate narcotics trafficking, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, alongside the Railway Protection Force and railway authorities, intercepted a massive consignment of contraband codeine-based cough syrup at the Agartala Railway Station. Officers seized 55,626 bottles of cough syrup carefully hidden inside large tin drums. The market value of the seized narcotics is estimated at a staggering of 6 crore 54 lakhs 43,989 rupees. The operation comes just months after a similar large-scale narcotics racket was busted involving a railway wagon at the Girania railway station, proving that drug syndicates are increasingly exploiting railway freight networks. One individual identified as Subrata Deb has been arrested. The entire shipment was systematically planned and disguised as a regular commercial consignment to evade law enforcement. The railway parcel van was booked from Katihar in Bihar on June 25th under PW Bill number 198284, registered as a general merchandise. Acting on precise intelligence received by the DRI Agartala Regional Unit on July 2nd, a joint search team thoroughly inspected the van. During the search, team members discovered 89 large tin drums mixed with ordinary freight. Upon opening them, investigators found that 80 drums were packed with a white chemical powder specifically used to bury and conceal 55,626 bottles of codeine cough syrup. The remaining 9 drums contained only the white masking powder. The exhausting counting and seizure process concluded on Thursday morning when the DRI taking full custody of the contraband. The DRI detained and subsequently arrested Subrata Deb, a resident of the Kalyanpur area in Khoi district, who serves as the manager of BK Enterprise and had arrived at the station to receive the delivery. The DRI has registered a case under the NDPS Act. A deep investigation is underway to unmask the kingpins operating this Bihar-Tripura smuggling corridor and to trace the financial backers of BK Enterprise. Reported by Amit and Suparna from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.
বাড়ির ছেলে ডাক্তারি পাশ করে ফিরছে, তাই সেলিব্রেশন চলছে নানা পদের রান্না।
শেফদের পছন্দ সিস্টার মশলা, যা মডার্ন টেকনোলজি এবং স্বাস্থ্যসম্মত। টেস্টিও সিস্টারের রান্না, প্রতি পদে স্বাদের বাহার।
সিস্টার, নিশ্চিন্তের প্রতীক।